Hare Krishna. Did you know that on this path of bhakti, there is an unknown friend? A friend who is ever so merciful and can propel you closer to Krishna. Who is this friend? It is Srimati Vrinda Devi Tulasi Maharani. I extend this invitation to you on behalf of the College of Vedic Studies, Zurich, to please come and attend the seminar on the glories of Tulasi Devi on May 11th. You can register at the link or visit our website for more information. It is a seminar where you would learn who is Tulasi Maharani Vrinda Devi and how you can be a recipient of her mercy through service, how you can take care of her. She is famously known all around the world as the Holy Pacer. She is known to be as good as Godhead, and she is the dearmost to Lord Krishna. So please take full advantage of her mercy and get to embrace her in your life.